become as the Maharashtra's first woman deputy chief minister. These developments are coming into light after 2 days as far as with the untimely death of Ajit Pawar. However, what has now been said as these developments that have been taking place, Sunetra Pawar, the wife of deceased and Nationalist Congress Party leader Ajit Pawar, is set to become the first woman deputy chief minister of Maharashtra, as the NCP also plans to hold its legislative party meeting and will be choosing its new legislative party leader to replace Ajit Pawar. And a small swearing-in ceremony. Rucha and Arunil, good morning. What we are getting to know is likely to happen after that. Rucha, if you can give us the details exactly what's expected to happen today.
Well, yesterday, several meetings were conducted by NCP leaders where Chhagan Bhujbal, Praful Patel and Sunil Tatkare met the chief minister to talk about the oath ceremony if Sunetra Pawar can be the next deputy CM of Maharashtra, and chief minister has agreed to the name of Sunetra Pawar, and most importantly it was the party workers, the MLAs who have collectively decided that Sunetra Pawar has to be the next leader of their party, and who will also be appointed as a group leader today, but as well as she is also going to be the first ever Maharashtra's deputy chief minister who is a woman that Maharashtra is going to get today. Now what we are learning from our sources is that 90% of the MLAs have supported Sunetra Pawar on taking over the leadership of the party, and the family is currently in shock after the demise, the way Ajit Pawar's plane crashed in Baramati, and after that the family is still in shock. But it is equally important that the party now gets a new phase. The chief of the party should be appointed as soon as possible, and the ministries that Ajit Pawar held were also important. In fact, in the coming month we were expecting Ajit Pawar to be presenting the Maharashtra state budget. Now he had finance ministry and several important departments under him. Now what will happen to those was the main question, and as per the NCP leaders' request, they wanted to keep those 5 key portfolios with the party, and someone had to be appointed as soon as possible, and for which now Sunetra Pawar's name has been finalized.
As far as within the party of the NCP faction is concerned, to keep the flock together, that seems to be the main priority. As far as the first woman deputy chief minister of Maharashtra, Sunetra Pawar, is expected to take oath in a short ceremony. Now, with this elevation, the NCP is also expected to make a strong push to reclaim the key portfolios that was once held by Ajit Pawar, namely the crucial finance, the state excise and sports department. Now, talks of merging the party with Sharad Pawar-led NCP faction has also garnered pace, as when it comes to Anil Deshmukh, the former state home minister, has revealed a decision that has been reached and only a formal announcement seems to be pending.
ऐसा है कि अजीत दादा पवार महाराष्ट्र के एक गद्दावर नेता थे, एक कर्तृत्ववान नेता थे। उनके मृत्यु से महाराष्ट्र के राजनीति में बहुत क्षति पहुंची है। आज जो शब्द चर्चा चालू है कि मुख्यमंत्री डिप्टी सीएम कौन बनेगा, ये कौन बनेगा, ये वक्त नहीं है, उचित वक्त नहीं है। इसके बारे में सब माननीय शरद पवार साहब, हमारी बहनी सुनित्रा बहनी, बेटे पार्थ पवार, जय पवार और उनके बाकी परिवार के लोग इकट्ठा बैठेंगे कुछ दिन के बाद में, और इकट्ठा बैठ के चर्चा करके किस दिशा में, क्योंकि अजीत दादा की ये दिल से इच्छा थी कि दोनों पार्टी इकट्ठा आना चाहिए, और इस प्रकार की उनके साथ में काफी हमारी चर्चा भी हुई थी, हमारे नेताओं की, हमारी सबकी, और दिल से चाहते थे कि जल्द से जल्द दोनों पार्टी इकट्ठा आना चाहिए। वो हिसाब से जो उनकी अंतिम इच्छा थी, वो अंतिम इच्छा पूरी होना चाहिए, ऐसा सबको लगता है।
But as far as the NCP faction, Sharad Pawar, the Supremo himself, is concerned, where he seems to be confirming the NCP merger talk, saying that Jayant Patil and Ajit Pawar's talks were on and the merger discussions were headed in a positive direction, and public announcement was set to be made very soon, saying that the unity move was set to be in the final stage. Arunil, what does it mean as far as when it comes to the faction merger is concerned? We just heard Anil Deshmukh saying that this was one of the last wishes that Ajit Pawar had wanted when it comes to reunification of both the factions.
Well, this is a big statement coming in from senior Pawar, Amita. Now, what is significant to note over here is, at a time when Sunetra Pawar has reached Mumbai, is supposed to be the first woman DCM, Deputy CM of Maharashtra. It is Sharad Pawar who, it's only 3 days since the sudden demise of Ajit Pawar. Sharad Pawar again taking an immediate press conference and saying that Sunetra Pawar was with us until the Asthi Visarjan. But we were not informed about her becoming the Deputy CM. This is her party's decision. That is NCP, Ajit Pawar faction party's decision. Also coming out in the open and saying that since last 4 months, it is Jayant Patil, who's the leader from Sharad Pawar faction, and Ajit Pawar having constant talks about NCP reunion. The official announcement was to be made on February 12th. Sharad Pawar coming out in the open and speaking about this aspect that he was not kept in the loop about Sunetra Pawar's appointment as the Deputy CM. Also putting the onus on the 3 top leaders of Ajit Pawar faction, that is Chhagan Bhujbal, Praful Patel and Sunil Tatkare. It seems like the rift within the NCP is again out in the open. We have seen how Ajit Pawar recently was openly speaking about the reunion of the NCP. The 2 NCPs were contesting elections together, be it Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad, and again Zilla Parishad also they are contesting it together. But after the sudden and unexpected demise of Ajit Pawar, it seems like and the subsequent movements that were being made in Ajit Pawar camp, particularly by Chhagan Bhujbal, Sunil Tatkare and Praful Patel going to CM Fadnavis's residence, and within 3 days, the oath-taking ceremony of Sunetra Pawar is to happen now. She's to replace Ajit Pawar as the Deputy CM. Sharad Pawar taking an immediate press conference and declaring that he was not kept in the loop is a big statement. He's also saying that this is only the decision of their faction. We were not informed about it. As a family, we were together in this moment of
it change the power dynamics? I mean, within the 2 factions there, what would be the immediate priority that we are looking at? The merger, or as far as the Ajit Pawar faction of the NCP is concerned, to consolidate its move as the new leader Sunetra Pawar is set to move in and take oath? Arunil?
Well, what is important to note over here is that why such kind of an immediate press conference was taken in by Sharad Pawar in Baramati. Basically, he's in a way declaring or announcing that he was not informed about the decision to make Sunetra Pawar the Bahu of his family, that she will be becoming the Deputy CM. He is declaring that all the shots are being taken by the 3 leaders of the Ajit Pawar faction. They are not kept in confidence. He's also in a way openly saying that Jayant Patil and Ajit Pawar, Jayant Patil is his party leader, were constantly speaking and were in touch about the NCP unification. They wanted that to happen. He's also in a way saying that on February 12th, the announcement
the power dynamics there within the 2 factions that we are looking at, saying that looking forward for a merger to happen, and this was one of the wishes of Ajit Pawar, but on the same time Sharad Pawar claiming that he had no information about Sunetra Pawar being sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister. Well, please do stay on with us, both of you, because all of these developments that seems to be coming to light in Maharashtra as far as this churn that is now being seen. Pawar Senior now seems to be denying the Deputy Chief Minister swearing in information, saying that he had no clarity on Sunetra Pawar's move and said that their own party must have decided. And this now seems to have sparked off a political buzz as the power shift speculation that seems to be growing. So, you know, Rucha, that seems to be a basic understanding, because this seems to be a new leadership test for Sunetra Pawar. But immediately when it comes to the challenges that she has to face, especially when it comes to consolidating her own position as a party leader and a Deputy Chief Minister, what would be the first move?
Well, definitely, this is coming as a big statement from Senior Pawar, where he is saying that he was not informed or he was not asked whether Sunetra Pawar should be the next deputy CM of Maharashtra. And he also mentioned that she was with him until yesterday, where the rituals of the last rites were being performed, but no discussions took place about her joining the party or becoming the next deputy CM of Maharashtra. And this clearly shows how there is no clear communication within the family in terms of the political scenario and about NCP, where we are seeing now Sharad Pawar saying that on 12th of February, they were expecting official announcement of merger of both the NCPs. And yesterday also, when we spoke with some of the NCP SP leaders from Shiv Sena, from Sharad Pawar's faction, they also pointed out that this is not the time to talk about the merger, or this is not the time that Sunetra Pawar takes control over the party, or the decisions are should be on hold, is what the NCP SP leaders suggested. But on the other hand, we saw Chhagan Bhujbal, Sunil Tatkare and some senior leaders having continuous meetings with CM, or we saw Sunil Tatkare travel to Baramati.
You know, when it comes to, yes, it has been a big loss to the party, a big loss there as far as to the state of Maharashtra is concerned, losing their deputy chief minister. But it seems that the party seems to be ready as far as when it comes to overcoming, you know, these changes that have now happened in the position there, and Sunetra Pawar is now all set to be elevated to the position of a deputy chief minister of Maharashtra. Please to stay on with us, Richa. Arunil, thank you very much for the moment, because